thank you to the stewards for the section.
A draw ymhylch y copiau, mae'r beirniad Mr Davies wedi cyrraedd diweddglo'r bore ac yn dyfarnu prif Pencampwriaeth Ifanc i'r eboles 2 flwydd oed. O iddo John Gray, Precious...
Wel, mae yna ganlyniad wedi bod yn y de, a dyma ni enw fi'n credu byddwn ni'n clywed tipyn yn ystod y blynydde nesaf. Na chi, Freddie Deacon fyna wedi bod yn neud ei waith yn ardderchog drwy'r dydd fan hyn yn dangos, a wedi ennill unwaith eto yn y Pencampwriaeth fan hyn.
Ydy gyda glib Dale Deja Vu.
CJ Merrick and Brynthon Delight. Felly dyna ni, Mr Davies wedi dod I ben gyda'r Cobau Cymreig ar gyfer heddiw. Ond wrth gwrs, bydd chi'n hofio bydd yn ôl mori ar gyfer... Ie, welwn ni a glywon ni enw Freddie Deacon dipyn dros y blynydde diwethaf. Wi'n siŵr bod ti beth wrth dy fodd yn gweld rhywun mor ifanc a 15 oed yn dechrau cael...
Mae'n hyfryd gweld yn ennill ddwywaith. Mae wedi gwneud jobyn hyfryd bore yma ar ran Kitty Bodil i fan hyn gyda glib Dale Deja Vu. Digwydd bod bydd y Pencampwriaeth a'r Gil Wabr yn mynd gytre I Abergyfenni. Freddie'n edrych tipyn o'r ryddhad a falle ddim cweit yn credu beth mae wedi gwneud bore yma.
I ni wedi gweld ambell I ochenaid yn ystod y bore a dechrau'r brynhawn. Pan mae'n sylweddoli bod wedi gwneud ei waith mor dda. A ti'n gweld perthynas fyna, ti'n gweld yr agosatrwydd rhwng yr un sydd yn dangos a'r ceffyl.
Ie, mae'n hyfryd gweld fel mae wedi dod at y job. Chwarae teg iddo fe.
Ie, llon gyfarchiadau gresog I Freddie.
Jumping up here, and you'll see what is in front of you is the right one.
15 years old, double Royal Welsh winner 2024, and now Youngstock Section C champion. Freddie, you're going to have to try and put it into words for me.
It's just amazing. I mean, I've not been doing it for too long, and I can't believe it.
And Kitty, the owner and breeder of the horse here, we were just saying it's been a long time coming for this horse, and Freddie now at 15 has taken over the reins and just smashed it out of the park.
He has, and yeah, it's quite emotional. One is this is my first ever Glebedale winner in the Welsh classes, but we nearly lost him as a yearling to colic surgery. So, and he missed that Royal Welsh year. So yeah, it's honestly. It is what dreams are made of. And you put the work in, it'll come true.
And Glebedale, of course, no strangers to success. Possibly here at the Royal Welsh, not after today, but at Horse of the Year show and the Ridden. What is the plan now with this horse?
He's going to go and run out with some mares next year, just because he spent most of his yearling year in because he was poorly.
Well, go and enjoy this moment, Kitty and Freddie. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi.
Thank you.
First question. Many